Here at BryceLovesTech, we like to review anything we can get our hands on. And we've had a regular original Dyson, corded Dyson, for about 12 years. It's been bulletproof, never had any trouble with it before. So we got this new Dyson Animal V10, and it comes with all these cool attachments. You've got crevice tools, you've got the tool for vacuuming your car that has a little beater brush on it. Comes with a wall mount. You see here, I'm going to show you later how I wall mounted this. And the charger plugs directly into it. So it charges your Dyson in about 3 hours from a dead battery all the way to full. And I find you get like 30 minutes to maybe 45 minutes of vacuuming. The vacuum is so lightweight, you can take it anywhere super quick and vacuum almost anything. The couple of little things that I couldn't get to in the car where I found an extension would be better. It comes with this really long extension tube that you see here, but I think in the car you would need like a half extension, and they make those, they're an option you can buy for about 30 bucks, so not a big deal. The long extension tube would kind of limit you in the car, but around the house, the long extension tube that comes with the Dyson V10 is amazing. The Dyson is great for stairs because if you ever tried to lug a regular vacuum upstairs, it's not very fun. Now, switching to ceiling fans, there is an elbow attachment you can get that does ceiling fans really great. If you want to wall mount your Dyson, which I highly recommend, the wall mount has a built-in charger that plugs in, although you do need a shelf for all the accessories that come with it, because there's a lot of accessories that it does have. On regular carpets, I found that the little attachment brush that has its own power is really, really good. It really gets the dirt up. Do not pay full retail, which is $4.99. You can get these way under $400 if you look on eBay from a reputable person, and they're brand new. So please don't pay full retail. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.